Tell the world what you say.
Me say, if you ain't give me $1 million, me never have $1 million there and done already. I would have still beg you more money.
Alright, so if me come to you and give you $1 million cash right here, so, and me say, if you take the $1 million, you're going to lose the teaching and change and balance.
Would I take $1 million and would I lose the teaching and change and balance because I would know why the good why it do for me. But after me get the good change and balance, the $1 million is no use to me.
So you tell me, say, if a man come and say, I'll give you $1 million for forget what Randy share with you, you wouldn't take it.
No, that no.
$1 million in a crowd.
That wouldn't have nothing to do with me. That wouldn't help.
On the table and walk away and leave it there.
That couldn't help me because the knowledge when me have now can give me $1 billion. So for him, little million why not give me I know because waste me time now to teach him change and balance. That have no use to me.
So you say, the only truth in the universe, the only truth.
Yeah.
When you found the truth, you say, you not let it go.
No man, you can't let go that because that's a knowledge, you know. Remember say when your knowledge opening, you know, man, it's a doorway to everything, you know.
You know the infinite.
Of course.
So nothing for earth not really worth nothing to you.
No, sir. I remember say when you don't have no sense you're a fool, you know. So you will grab $1 million. Look on a man where a man say, alright, now give you some work and this work here. Go make you earn $1 million or $2 million a year and he say, alright, without teach you business how to make $1 million, you're going to take your work because every day you can collect your money. Even if you end up stop and do the business, you the profit out of you, the knowledge out of you, and the expand of the business out of you. You get me?
So now you own everything.
Now you own everything, man. Everything the business of you, the knowledge of you, and everything.
So you say with change and balance, now you have everything out of the universe, you don't want nothing more.
Door, me broke down, me kick down door. Me not open door no more, me kick down door. Me knowledge click down door. Door drop again.
You're supreme.
Of course.
You're not even great, you're supreme.
Yeah, no, door drop again, man.
You don't actually feel pain no more.
No, I don't time for that. Because I know how to go on that. Because I have the knowledge to go look bush if I feel.
Ah. So change and balance give you...
Know the
What
bush
do you
to go
mean?
look.
King Crude, you said change and balance give you answer to every...
Then I'm more than $1 million would have stop at $1 million, you know, man. But when you have the infinite key, you up maybe lock.
It's bigger than science.
Bigger than $1 million top of one part, man. I'm going to still use $1 million
So,
to go look.
so if them say you're a scientist, you're an infinite universal scientist.
Yeah.
So if them say you're an Oberman, you're an infinite.
Yeah.
So you have little Oberman there. So, but you, if they said that's what you were, you're all over the...
I'm going to take $1 million now to go look science. So me have science.
You are the science
You
now.
have the science now.
You're the science.
Yeah.
With change and balance.
Yeah, and more.
Infinite. That's how you feel.
And so me know, no feel.
Oh.
Because I'm blind.
You,
Me know.
so you...
You live it, man.
So wait, talk to me. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, to you now. You the on a beyond.
If me know this 20 years ago, man, nobody touch me, man. I know this 20 years ago, nobody touch me. Because I would have known some enough waste no time. With some, not even say unclean, some people when don't mean me no good. We don't have no motivation, we don't have no where they go. Because I change and balance teach me all of that. Because what you do? Get up, waste time with them, talk idle gesture, and not put in no work. You have to put in your work.
And then when you say you, your past life wasn't balanced.
Yeah, if you put in your work, your fruit bear, you know. But without the work, you know, you're stagnant, you know, they are one place. If you care for use your own knowledge, man, somebody will use you to feed them knowledge. That's how I think change and balance.
You know me proud of you. You do know some proud of you.
Yeah, but because if you sure one something where you get for yourself and you sure one hit and you see them make a good use of it, you're have to be proud because of that it come to teach you, you know. The knowledge will take you from point A to point B. And you see how one elevate you have to feel good. Because it's a thing where you don't want it stagnant. And you don't want no one couldn't talk about it. Because you know the good what I do for you. So you would love to see somebody talking about you and they try to show you, say, boy, that is the way. And a real thing for sure. Change and balance is a real thing, man. Because remember, everything change and balance. And if you think I like, check the seed from the sow. Till it manifests to a tree.
So cool, what you said to my brother was say me not ready.
Your brother?
Him say me not ready.
You're not ready.
As a disciple of change and
You
balance.
say a teacher not ready.
But I'm a student, them have to tell him say talk to him as a student.
The teacher have to ready unless you not get it. You not get the teaching hour in the teacher.
So as a student, you will say to him, you can't say me teacher not ready because look for me. What happened to you?
You know, you're not ready. You can't say you're not ready. Because, but you remember saying you don't know what you're do. You don't know what you're say because to him, it's just like the man where you would have called, say, see a job here, you can make a $2 million off it and see how me use, now me make the $2 million here. Now I've no time to wait to see how you make the $2 million. I want the $2 million right away because I need the money to do what I have to do. Where if you went just say, alright, let me see how you see I make the $2 million. You would have more motivate because it's like you give a man a fish every time you go fish. Carry him go and see, go make him learn how to fish. You are different. Because he could have feed his family and motivate himself in a different way.
So why did you say change and balance save you? Why did you say that?
Then, because he made me stop dealing with agriculture. Change from agriculture. Deal with positivity. That cut out negativity. Change and balance cut out negativity. And negativity, that's the bad thing in our life. Yes.